please. The process begins with millions of fresh, vibrant oranges. They are thoroughly washed, scanned by automated sorters, The sorted orange fruit moves into a high-capacity washing system, where the surface of each orange is thoroughly cleaned before juice production continues.
Check the flow rate on valve 3.
Reading steady at 200 liters per minute.
The freshly extracted juice now enters a controlled separation stage, where unwanted fruit solids are removed while the fresh orange juice continues through the production line. Fine filtration removes remaining unwanted particles, creating a cleaner stream of fresh orange juice for the next stage of processing.
Check the pressure on line 2. It's steady. Everything is optimal here.
Automated food-grade pumps move the fresh orange juice through the factory at a controlled flow rate for the next processing stage. The fresh orange juice passes through a precisely controlled heat treatment stage as automated sensors monitor the processing temperature. Once the controlled heat treatment is complete, the orange juice is rapidly cooled before continuing through the production system. Automated quality control systems monitor the fresh orange juice to ensure the processed juice meets the factory's required production standards. Samples of the processed orange juice are checked for consistent quality before the production line moves toward final preparation. After passing quality control, the orange juice continues into the final preparation area, where it is readied for storage and packaging. The processed orange juice is held in a sanitary stainless steel tank while the factory prepares the next stage of the production process. The processed orange juice now moves from the holding system toward the automated packaging area, while containers are prepared for filling. Clean, empty containers are automatically aligned and transported toward the filling station for the fresh orange juice. The automated filling system precisely transfers the processed orange juice into each container as the packaging line operates continuously.
The pressure looks consistent on the seal, and the labels are aligned perfectly.
Automated inspection systems check every sealed orange juice container before it continues toward labeling and final packaging.
The sealed orange juice containers now pass through an automated labeling system, where each package is prepared for identification and distribution.
A final inspection confirms that the labeled orange juice containers are properly sealed, positioned, and ready for secondary packaging.
The approved orange juice containers are automatically grouped into organized sets for efficient case packing and transportation. Automated packing machinery places the finished orange juice containers into shipping cases, preparing large quantities for distribution. The filled shipping cases are automatically closed and sealed, completing the secondary packaging stage before storage and distribution. The finished orange juice cases now leave the packaging area and enter the warehouse, where they are organized before distribution. Large quantities of finished orange juice are organized into designated storage areas, allowing the factory to manage its high-volume production efficiently. Finished orange juice is kept under controlled storage conditions while the factory prepares orders for transportation and distribution.
Finished orange juice cases are selected from storage and organized into shipment loads for delivery to different destinations.
The finished orange juice is now arranged on shipping pallets and moved to the loading dock for transportation.
Pallets filled with finished orange juice are loaded into distribution trucks, beginning the next stage of the product's journey. Before departure, The finished orange juice shipment is checked and secured, so the product can safely continue to its destination.
With the finished orange juice safely loaded, the distribution truck leaves the factory and begins its journey toward the marketplace.
After leaving the factory, the finished orange juice travels across American highways toward stores and distribution destinations. The finished orange juice reaches a distribution center, where the shipment is unloaded and prepared for delivery to its final retail destinations.
Inside the distribution center, finished orange juice cases are sorted and organized according to their delivery destinations.
Selected orange juice shipments are transferred into delivery vehicles for the final transportation stage toward retail stores. The finished orange juice now arrives at a retail store, where workers unload the shipment and prepare it for the shelves.
After arriving at the store, the finished orange juice is moved from the receiving area toward the retail display section.
The finished orange juice is carefully arranged on refrigerated retail shelves, ready for customers.
After the long journey from orange fruit to finished product, the orange juice is finally ready for consumers to choose.
After leaving the store, the finished orange juice arrives at home and is placed in the refrigerator, ready to be enjoyed. The finished orange juice is chilled and poured into a glass, revealing the final beverage created from the original orange fruit. From carefully selected orange fruit to processed, packaged, distributed, and finally served, the journey has transformed fresh orange fruit into a finished glass of orange juice. The entire factory works as one continuous system, transforming millions of orange fruits into fresh orange juice. Millions of orange fruits pass through this carefully controlled process, becoming fresh orange juice that is filtered, processed, packaged, and prepared for consumers. From the first shipment of orange fruit to the final packaged beverage, every stage works together to turn fresh oranges into finished orange juice on a massive industrial scale. What begins with millions of fresh orange fruits becomes a finished glass of orange juice through a remarkable modern factory